Xleads versus Propstream. Which real estate lead tool is better for investors? Hello, hope you're doing good. I'm your host Jason. In this tutorial, we'll be comparing Xleads and Propstream, two platforms that are used by real estate investors to find motivated seller leads, analyze deals, and grow their pipelines. If you're wholesaling, flipping, or working off market deals, choosing the right lead generation tool is crucial. So to kick things off, what is Xleads? Xleads is a lead scraping and enrichment tool that lets you find leads using Google Maps, business directories, and social platforms. While it's commonly used by marketers and agencies, some real estate investors use it to scrape local property-related businesses, gather contact info, and build cold outreach lists. It's more of a general-purpose lead finder rather than a real estate-specific platform, and I would consider it best for users who want to scrape leads online and contact businesses through email and phone campaigns. Now, on the contrary, what is Propstream? Propstream is built specifically for real estate professionals. It gives you access to nationwide property data, owner details, mortgage history, liens, and more. You can filter by motivated seller criteria like pre-closures, vacant properties, high equity, and then skip trace and market to those owners directly. I would consider it best for real estate investors looking to target motivated sellers and analyze deals before they act. Now let's compare some of their key features. For instance, when it comes onto platform focus. With Xleads, it is mainly focused on general lead scraping, B2B, while Propstream, on the other hand, is real estate data plus lead generation. And if we were to talk about property data, you will only get access to property data mainly on Propstream. You will get nationwide in-depth, while with Xleads, they offer no property ownership info. And when it comes onto lead sources, Xleads offers Google Maps, LinkedIn, and Yelp, while Propstream, on the other hand, you'll be getting access to MLS, county records, tax and mortgage data, and more. And when it comes onto skip tracing, with Propstream that is built in, but with Xleads that is external or manual. Also, if we were to compare their marketing tools, Xleads offers export, email, phone, and basic outreach, while Propstream, on the other hand, offers direct mail, email templates, and postcards. And if we were to talk about CRM and filters, with Propstream you'll be getting advanced filters and tagging, and with Xleads you'll be getting minimal. Now, if we were to compare their pricing, as you can see right here, you can get started for $97 per month on Xleads, and it can go up to $297. With Propstream, if we were to check out their pricing, they offer a pricing of $99 per month, and you can also buy additional features, as you can see right there. Now, which one should you choose? I would recommend you choose Xleads if you are a cold outreach pro or agency using Google Maps and directories to scrape local business leads, or you're working on a tight budget and don't need property ownership information. Now, on the contrary, I would recommend you choose Propstream if you're a real estate investor who wants motivated seller lists, deal analysis tools, skip tracing, and integrated marketing, or you need reliable data to make smart buying decisions and close more off-market deals. Hope you found this comparison helpful and informative. If you did, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and thank you for watching.